Hey, help me get to 1,000 subscribers by hitting that red button. Peace.
Oh, it's so stiff.
That's what she said, sir. That is what she said. I really hate to do this to you, brother, because it's like your first fall. But you had a good one, man. Oh,
This one wasn't bad.
look that's, I don't know what it is about being tattooed, but getting the worst gashes, and they always come like a couple millimeters away.
First thing I did when I stood up, I went, God. After I picked up my bike.
So what happened, dude? What happened?
Slipped the clutch in first, and it went straight up at first, then down, and the ass end like kicked out on me, and then I pushed the bike out, and yeah.
So the damage is minimal, dude. Honestly, I'd say that you took more damage than the bike.
That's fine.
You took way more damage than the bike, man.
Oh, I got my handle too? Damn. I can replace it. It's fine.
Some lightweight, clutch handle.
That was round, by the way. That was round. That was a ball.
Yeah, yeah.
No, that's not a ball.
Yeah, that's looking good. Looking good now.
Wait.
So basically you mega wheelied this thing, and it did the old wobble once you got it.
I've never done a wheelie before.
Oh, I hear you, man. I've had some sketchy landings as well when I had my Rocket 3. But there's definitely some interesting things to say about this, because you could tell you laid it down on this side, and when it went down, the saddlebag actually caught all the weight. So having saddlebags on your bike will actually protect you in a crash. It'll protect your legs.
Yo, feel how solid that still is. Yo.
Yeah, by the way, Viking bags, you get an A+. That thing basically, like,
Did move.
Yeah.
It took a 500-pound bike and me, no problem.
it saved your leg. Hold on, can you lift up your pant leg? Lift up your pant leg.
Oh.
I see red.
Oh, that was from this.
Oh.
I hit like this.
Okay, okay,
No,
I was about
only-
to say.
I only got one to the knee.
All right, never mind.
Yeah. I caught an arrow to the knee. That was about it.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you can see the little gone. And the helmet didn't take anything either. There's nothing. My head didn't hit the ground.
Okay.
I didn't want to these because I didn't want to break my helmet.
You had a good, this is like your first accident, and you had a really good one. Trust me, I hit a deer at 55 miles an hour. You had a good fall,
Having the back seat on to pick it up with this was a lifesaver too.
right?
I literally, yeah, it was literally back up and just squatted that thing up.
That's like, I'm pretty sure they teach you that in the MSF course. That's like literally the way to pick up a bike.
Only reason I know is because see people dump their bike.
Thank
It's
you,
the only logical
YouTube.
way, man. Use your legs.
Wow. So
Alright.
it's, what's kind of cool is that you said that you saw like coolant come off of the bike, but honestly I think it just came from the overflow.
That's what I'm thinking.
There's got to
too,
be a relief or
because
something.
it wasn't pouring out. It came out, stopped, and was done.
I don't see any cracks. You didn't leave any coolant drops in the driveway. There's nothing underneath here, so I think you're good.
Marks on Jefferson though.
Oh really?
I put some nice grooves in that road.
Oh man.
Yeah, you could go take a picture of the grooves, man. There's
Oh.
grooves. There's white grooves all the way down the road when my bike just slid all the contact points.
Wow.
So
So Kawasaki, first of all, you make a pretty damn good
like
bike.
a tank.
Yeah, this is a nice bike. Yeah, this is definitely a nice bike, but dude, you got very lucky, and Honestly, that means you're in the clear, brother.
Don't say that either.
Here, hold on, put them both up. Oh man. All right, warning to everybody out there. Warning to everybody out there.
Your clutch.
Watch yourself. Watch that throttle and clutch. Be aware of the road conditions, your surroundings, how cold your tires are. Watch out for the dirt on the side of the road and in the curves, just like all the basics.
And I can't stress it enough. When your clutch slips, let go of the throttle. Love of God, do not death grip the throttle like I did. That's what happened, dude. I dumped the thing, I held the throttle.
Held out too hard and it tried to take you for a ride, yeah.
Oh, no, tried to, it did. It took me for a ride, as you can see.
Damn, dude. No, I'm just glad you're all right.
Yeah.
This could have been a lot worse. Laying down your bike and walking away from it is, in any situation, is definitely a blessing.
They're also two different things, man.
Yeah.
Two different things in general, man.
Wow.
Somebody to watch out.
Yeah, so basically, all you need is new forward control. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I've been up for so long. New forward control.
You think so?
Maybe not. There might be something broken back there, so you might need to get some new bolts.
Yeah, it just seems it's all
So
loose.
either new control or new that if you want it to be fresh.
Whole thing's not expensive anyways.
New lever. Man, it stinks that you got the outside.
Expensive.
You got the outside here.
They're $80 a piece.
They look so nice
like
though.
Yeah, they're like 80 now.
Oh, that's up to you, but the screen you gotta get, aesthetically. I mean, you could remove it and it would just be like a non-cafe model.
I mean...
And then the saddlebag, but you put that on, so I mean...
I'm pretty sure it's just this. I'll have to keep this on a little bit for a reminder. Yeah.
Bro, honestly, there's nothing wrong with it. You didn't dent your tank, nothing.
Yeah, handlebars caught
right.
The mirror and the clutch caught the tank.
Okay, good.
Because if you look at it, man, you physically can't hit the tank. Oh, yo, I barely missed that tank.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no. The only spot I can hit is like right here, because the clutch ends here. Yeah, there's nothing. Whew.
Well, there it is, man. You got lucky. I'm glad you're here, and this is basically what could happen to you, anybody for that matter. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a like. Peace.